Hey, everyone, welcome back to Aqualair Sources. Today, we're diving into a topic that can save you a lot of money: the best credit cards for groceries and gas. If you're someone who spends a significant amount on these essentials, having the right credit card can make a huge difference in your budget. So, let's get started. First things first, let's talk about what these credit cards are all about. Credit cards for groceries and gas are specifically designed to reward your everyday purchases. They offer cashback, discounts, and other perks when you use them for buying groceries and filling up your tank. We are going to tell you about the top 5 best credit cards for groceries and gas. Now, let's jump into our top picks. The Blue Cash Preferred Card from American Express is a frontrunner. It offers fantastic cashback rates on groceries and gas, making it a favorite among many shoppers. Some pros include generous cashback percentages and valuable welcome bonuses. However, it's essential to note the annual fee as a potential drawback. Next up, we have the American Express Gold Card. This card not only provides excellent rewards for dining but also offers significant points for supermarket purchases and gas. It's a great choice if you frequently dine out and shop for groceries. Among its pros are the versatile rewards system and various travel benefits. However, the annual fee might be a concern for some users. Moving on, we have the City Premier Card. This card offers substantial points not only on groceries and gas but also on travel expenses. If you're a frequent traveler and grocery shopper, this card might be your best bet. Its pros include diverse reward categories and travel benefits. On the downside, there might be limitations to redeeming points. We also have the Blue Cash Everyday Card from American Express. It's a solid choice for those who prefer no annual fees and still want decent cashback on groceries and gas. Lastly, let's talk about the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. This card allows you to earn cashback on groceries, gas, and even online shopping, giving you flexibility in your rewards. Its pros include a customizable reward structure and a decent welcome bonus. However, the rates may vary based on your chosen categories. Now, you might be wondering who should consider applying for a groceries and gas credit card. Well, if you're someone who spends a significant portion of your budget on groceries and fuel, these cards can put money back in your pocket. Frequent travelers who also spend on these categories can benefit greatly from these cards. Lastly, let's discuss how to choose the best credit card for your needs. Consider your spending habits, the annual fees, and the reward structure. Look for a card that aligns with your lifestyle and offers the most significant benefits for your specific spending patterns. And there you have it, our breakdown of the best credit cards for groceries and gas. Remember, the right card can make your everyday expenses a lot more rewarding. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more content, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.